Hey guys, so if you want to fix the error code of the ESP-DIST-001 is that there are three methods actually. You should first go to your search bar, search on disk cleanup, then fix the drive where you install that Fortnite. Example, if it's here, then you should press that, then press OK, then the new volume 1 or the hard disk, you should press on. And if it doesn't still work, then you just need a little refresh, then um, restart your internet connection and plug out your devices. In that, it will help you restart your game and also the internet connection of yours. And lastly, if it still doesn't work, you might need to uninstall the Fortnite application itself, then reinstall it. So it may take a couple of time, but with that method, it will help you update your Fortnite and yes, it will help you redirect you to the game with a new dated version.